Hey guys, just going to go over a couple of day trades today. We had a little run up here. You can clearly see, here's the wicks. Okay, so I'm going to go right here, draw my first fib. Here's 1 and 2, pull back. And then we had it all the way to target 1, then a big breakdown. Got these two trades after it kind of settled down, the one up to VWAP and then the one right with this ledge going up target 1 and target 2. Right here, it started rebasing here. You can tell just by the angle the buyer is willing to pay more. So that's what I'm always looking for. And then it will break. And then one more down here that did it earlier. Otherwise, it's really just trailing down the whole way on the larger scale. So, you know, sometimes don't try to fight the trend, but I do take these trades. I know those trades. So I've been doing them long enough. This stock did a lot in pre. It's probably very low volume, but obviously there's a clear shelf. There's a target 1, target 2. Easy ones. NXU. It rebased right before the open. I kind of woke up late, so I kind of had to take whatever I wanted. This one did really come out the gate out of all of them, besides the other one to trick you into that, and then CCC. So while CCC, I think or the other one went straight into a halt, people flew over here and took this run. So this ran up to previous little mark that it couldn't break earlier, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the same little area. So basically a buy zone to a sell zone. It started angling like it did it. This is a clear target 1 for me right here. I take this trade all the time. And then here are some easier ones that I saw on this trade, even though it's under VWAP. I'm just looking for a retrend after a big sell-off, and then here's a little level right here, so that's 1, target 2 right there, and then right here, that one. That's, I don't know, when they move too slow, I just stop looking at them. And then let's look at our winner. I know we had a good one. You can always screw these trades up, so you gotta kind of know what's going on. And part of it is, I'll just show you little tricks I like. So basically it's trending up. You got your pre-market high right around here. I think Bowen had the 550 level. It had a little fight there right around this level right before it broke. You'll see when it goes over Rob's level, it goes a lot cleaner, just because it has more space. And then you go, where do I jump in if I miss some of those? Well, you got to wait for that pullback, and you just wait patiently here and just don't be greedy. You get this one. This is a beautiful little easy one. That's a little harder to see, but you just wait at the ledge. Just wait. Set up your trade from here to maybe 10-20 cents, because the moves are that big. Judge the move from the last move, and then you'll see this big pullback, but then you start seeing the candles thin, meaning it's gone down. This is a bullish and bearish engulfing, and it slams down. Then you see these same things at the same area. That helps. And then you see them thin out, and then they start breaking all the sell candles. And when they broke this sell candle here, clear, easy entry. You could have done flat tops. You could have done this one. That's a very easy one to see. I usually kind of draw this like this. I'll show you my fibs on this one. It's probably the same as Rob's. I don't really care. I just draw them. Right here, target 1, target 2. Perfect breakdown. I like it when it breaks down, because then you start seeing little ledges. Little ledges for me would be this one or this one. You could cleanly, just even if you did the wicks, you see it right here. It's got to fight that area, and then it re-breaks. So let's draw the fibs on that one. And you really can't screw up on one that's climbing this much. You really can't. But you just can't be super greedy. You're super greedy, you might get the stick down like this. Okay, let's see this person that bought this immediately, and then a minute later it's ramming down. I don't think I would have held a 60-70 cent loss if I took this breakout. So really, what I would tell you to do is let these really form a little bit more. I always call it like the bow before it pops. Just let it form. I like major pullbacks. This one's really beautiful to me because it pulls back, makes a nice another ledge. Buyers are willing to pay more at the bottom. This is pretty much my favorite re-break. It's right here. Now you go, well, why do you take that one? I don't really care. I just know that if it does this and then it starts reledging under that, I think it has more spring. And then it comes up here, takes it here, one more. You see the better pullbacks, the better the pop. Smaller, it's just continuation. It's just very hard to see it. So let's say you're trying to enter this trade. It went up, came down, leveled off right here. Well, to me, if it can beat the sell-off candle, that shows you pretty much what's up. So I'd be sitting here waiting this after this went up, came over here, went straight down, flattened, and then broke it again. And I would have gotten into that trade. Same thing here. I would have got, okay, let me do this and break it only if it breaks here. And this is pretty quick move. You're going to have to be on it. Down here, this is breaking off. Where does it break the sell-off candle? That's the last sell-off candle. Boom. Right here. You go, okay, that's the height of the last sell-off candle on the way down. But this is a big fight again as well, but eventually this has to collapse. Here's a nice easy shelf to see right here. That's easy target one real quick. It basically goes down, down, down. This is a reverse head and shoulders here, right here at this incline. You'll see this head and that other shoulder before it pops again. And then it breaks down and just keeps on breaking down. But you know, the way this has been screwing shorts over the last couple of days, it's pretty scary, you know. So I wouldn't be doing it, but whoever finally did take the chance on this correct short here, that was your best one, because that was pretty much where it was fully teetered out here. The other ones, they just jumped in real short. See, when they can do this platform here and go target one, target two, then just start failing, that's your entry. Or if you're smart enough, just do the VWAP entry. Let it re-kiss here. And then if you're really just super patient, just wait for that one. You could have jumped in here, but you know, wait for the kiss. That would have been a good one. You would have just maybe got out here or just waited one more time. But just be a little safer with your trades. Here, let me go to 1 day. I think we start looking at some crazy ones. This one finally just started doing it. This was a very slow retrend to try that. So we'll see how that plays out, but don't have to jump in everything. Here's your major pullback, here's your little platform, and a breakout. And just don't go for too large of targets. I was taking a couple of these right here, but it was very slow. So just be careful with the trades. Make sure you see what you're supposed to see and check out your indicators.